Hello students, how are you? Now, today we will start the class of statics. I have already completed your syllabus, but today's only revision class. In this chapter, the main topic is measure of central tendency. Means if we are discussing regarding a statistical data, so we will consider a central value. Central value is known as mean value, तो है average value. So there are three topics in your syllabus. How many topics? Three topic. First topic is mean. Second topic is median. And third topic is mode. Okay, in class 10th syllabus there are only three topics: mean, median and mode. And most important thing, what is data, and such types of data we will use to find mean, median and mode. So very important thing is data. Means such types of data given. Okay, then how we will find the mean, median and mode? So there are three types of data in your syllabus. How many types of data? Three types of data. First is ungrouped data. Ungrouped data, that is called individual data. Second is discrete data. And third is group data. Third is group data. Means today we will discuss how to find the mean when data is ungrouped data. Actually mostly this topic is covered in class 9th. So mainly two data, which discrete data and group data. First we will understand actual what is the ungrouped data, what is the discrete data and what is the group data. Okay, for a single second, ungrouped data means individually, suppose x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 xn. When individual data is given, suppose we will take an example. Suppose I conduct a test in a class of 40 students. If I will write first student obtain this mark, second this mark, third this mark, so such types of data is called ungrouped data, individual data. Name से clear हो रहा है. Individual means each observation will be written separately. That is called individual data. Second, discrete data. Discrete data means, what is the meaning of discrete data? Discrete data means there is a particular observation and their frequency f is given. Suppose first is x1, how many number of times? f1 times. Second is x2, f2 times. Third is x3, f3 times. This types of data is known as discrete data. Now third, group data. Group data means we will discuss in a group. That is called class mark. And their frequency. Suppose 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. How many observation? 5, 7, 9, 2. This types of observation, this types of data is known as continuous data. Means group data. So now we will discuss how to find the mean. How to find the mean of ungrouped data, discrete data and group data. But this topic is covered in class 9. It is very simple. If data is ungrouped data, then mean equal to the summation of xi by n. Okay, this is the formula only for ungroup data. Okay, so now we will discuss mean of discrete data, then after mean of group data. Note it. Okay, now with the help of this question, okay, everybody know such types of data, it is discrete data. With the help of this data, we will find the mean and understand the concept. How to find the mean of discrete data. Okay, so first there are many more method. Direct method, shortcut method, step deviation. One by one we will start. First is direct method. Okay, first method is direct method. Then after we will discuss shortcut method. Then after step deviation method. And mostly step deviation method is used in group data. So in discrete data we will understand first direct method and second is shortcut method. Same question we will solve first by direct method, second by shortcut method. Okay, will we make a chart? What is given? X. Xi means observation. Always Xi means observation. Fi means frequency, means how many times this observation is present in the statistical data. Means observation 4, 6, 9, 10, 15. Okay, 4 is 5 times, 6 is 10 times, 10 times, 7 times and 8 times. This is the Fi. In direct method, we will use a formula mean equal to the summation of Fi xi I equal to 1 to n upon summation of Fi, or simply we will use summation of Fi xi by summation of Fi. Means what is requirement? F into x, means multiply by Fi into xi. So 4 5 ja 20, 6 10 ja 60, 10 6 ja, sorry, 10 9 ja 90, 10 7 ja 70, 15 8 ja 120. Okay, we will get Fi xi. Then after summation, summation means sum. Summation means sum. With sum Fi xi and Fi. Please add 0 0 0 0 0, 2 7 9 9 9 18, 18 to 20 26, 26 carry to 3. And now we will add F 15 25 35 40, and we will put there 360 by 40, 4 9 ja, the mean is 9. The answer is 9. What is the answer? 9. What is the answer of this question? Is 9. Means in direct method, how we will find the mean? Xi is given, Fi is given. So first we will find Fi xi, multiply. Okay, simply will be add Fi xi and Fi. Please consider here, mostly students dividing by summation xi, which is wrong. So what we will do? Summation of Fi xi upon Fi means divide by sum of frequencies. The same question how we can solve by using shortcut method. Okay, now we will understand. We will make a chart. What we will do here? Xi, Fi is given. What is Xi? 469, 469, 10, 15. Okay, What is the frequency? 5, 10, 10, 7 and 8. Okay. In direct method, we are directly finding Fi Xi and use this formula and get the answer. But in shortcut method, we will find the assumed mean. Means approximate mean को हम consider करेंगे. We will consider in observation middle value. Suppose what is in middle? जो first we will check the observation और approximate middle value को assumed mean consider करेंगे. Let us consider a equal to 9. A equal to 9 means let us consider our assumed mean is 9. Then we will get the D. Di means Xi minus A. What is Di? Di means difference between observation minus assumed mean. Means what is A? 9. What is Xi? 4. So 4 minus 9 minus 5. 6 minus 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 10 minus 9, 1. 15 minus 9, 6. I hope you all understand what is the meaning of Di. How we will start. Xi and Fi are given. First we will consider the assumed mean. Okay. Observation are given. So middle value we will consider as a assumed mean. Then after we will find the D. What is D? D means difference, that is deviation. There is one word, deviation. Deviation means difference between observation and mean. But here we are using assumed mean. So here is Di. Means Di is equal to Xi minus A. What is Xi? 4 minus 9, 5 minus 5. 6 minus 9. Okay. Then after Fi Di. Then after we will find Fi Di. 4 into minus 5. Okay. 6 into minus 3, minus 18. 9 into 0, 0. 10 into 1, 10. 15 6 are 90. Now what we will do? अब ऐड करेंगे नेगेटिव को अलग एंड पॉजिटिव को सेपरेटली. वी विल ऐड सेपरेटली. तो 20 and minus 18 minus 38 100. What will be this value? 100 minus 38. 100 minus 38. It will become 72. It will become 72. Okay. And if we will add Fi, Fi will be 40. Okay. What is the formula? Mean equal to the A plus summation of Fi Di upon summation of Fi. What is A? What is assumed mean? Assumed mean is 9 plus what is the Fi Di? By 40. 6 3 are 18. What is F? Actually beta, there is one mistake. What is requirement here? Actually there is one mistake. Oh sorry, one mistake here. What is required? Fi Di means Fi is 5. 5 minus 25. माफी चाहूंगा. 10 3 जा minus का 30. 0 7 1 जा 7 and 48. Okay. Now we will add. Here will be minus 55 and here will be the positive 55. So what will be their sum? Summation Fi Di will be the 0. Summation Fi Di will be the 0. So what is the formula? A plus summation Fi Di upon summation of Fi. What is A? 9 plus 0 by 40. That is the 9. It is the answer by using shortcut method. Okay. Once again, I am explaining in shortcut method xi and fi is given. Be sincerely listen. First, we will consider the assumed mean. Okay, to come to the observation table, any middle value, approximate middle value, consider as a assumed mean. Okay, so consider 9 is the assumed mean. Then after we will find difference, observation minus assumed mean, that is called D. Then after we will find FIDI, and by using this concept find the answer. Once again, in shortcut method, mean equal to A plus summation FIDI upon summation of FI. Okay, where DI is equal to XI minus A. Okay, please note it. Okay, come to the next topic, mean of group data. Group data means class, interval and frequency are given. Here we will use two methods. Direct method everybody will know, FI/XI. So here we will not discuss the direct method. Here we will discuss two methods, shortcut method and step deviation method. Which two methods? Shortcut method and step deviation method. If class interval is given. First, shortcut method. Okay, in class 9 you study class mark. Class mark equal to the lower limit plus upper limit by 2. I hope you all know very well. Okay, so we will make a chart in shortcut method. What is given? But a class interval. What is class interval? 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 and 80 to 100. Okay, class interval. Immediately we will find the class mark. Class mark means xi. Immediately we will find the xi. Xi means lower limit plus upper limit by 2, means 0 plus 20 by 2 means 10. 20 plus 40, 60 by 2 means 30, 50, 70, 90. I hope you all understand how to find the class mark. Frequency is given. What is given? 15, 18, 21, 29, 17. Okay. In direct method, everybody know very well that x equal to summation of FI/XI upon FI. If we will use here direct method, so simply we will multiply and we will add this and divide, we will get the answer. But here we will discuss shortcut method. We will discuss solve mean by using shortcut method. So I have already explained in previous question. By using shortcut method, we will consider assumed mean, approximate middle value in observation. So which are in middle? 50. We will consider A as a assumed mean. So what is A? 50. Okay. Then after we will find DI. DI means, okay, DI means XI minus A, means 10 minus 50. 10 minus 50 means minus 40. 30 minus 50, minus 20. 50 minus 50, 0. 20. 20 and 40. Then after we will find FIDI. Then after we will find FIDI. So multiply FIDI 15 minus 600. 18 to the minus 360. 0. 580. 29 to the 58. 17 for the 68. Now we will add separately. So what will we get? 6 minus minus 960. What will get here? 0, 0, 0, 8, 8, 16, 12. So what? It is positive and it is negative. So 1260 subtract by 960. So 0, 0, 3. What? Here is negative. So 300. 300. Now what is the sum of Fi? Add, save 16, 17, 17, 25, 30, 30 की 0, carry 3, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it is 100. So what is the formula? Mean equal to the A plus summation of Fi di upon summation of Fi. What is assumed mean, beta? What is assumed mean? 50 plus what is Fi di? 300. What is summation of Fi? Summation of Fi 100. So 50 plus 3, that is the 53 is the answer. Okay. In this same question, we will solve by using a step deviation method. Okay. First note it. Okay. Now, same question we will solve by using the method step deviation method. Means step deviation method. Which method, beta? Step deviation method. Okay, what is step deviation method? Here class interval given, so we will find class mark, frequency is given, then after we will find the difference. Next, one more step, we will find ui, that is equal to the di by h. What is h? H means class size. What is h? Class size. What is the class size? 0 to 20, 20 to 40 means h equal to 20. A is already 50. Okay. Ui di minus 40 divided by 20. Minus 20 divided by 20 minus 1. 0. 20 divided by 20 1. 40 divided by 20, that means 2. We will get ui. Then after we will find Fi ui. Then after we will find Fi ui. Okay, what is 15 minus 2 minus 30. 18 0. 29 17 2 34. What will be the sum here? What will be the sum here? 30 minus 48. What will be the sum here? 9 4 13 63. Then 63 minus 14. तो 63 में से 48 subtract करो, 13 5 and here 15. What will be here? 15 positive. And here is 100. But here we will use the formula mean equal to the A plus summation of Fi ui upon summation of Fi into h. Please learn this formula. This formula we will use in step deviation method. Which method? Step deviation method. What is the formula? Mean equal to the A plus summation Fi ui upon Fi into h. Put the value A is 50. Fi ui is 15 by 100 into 20. 25, 5 3 is 15. Means 50 plus 3. That is 53 is the answer. In next class, we will discuss median. Thank you.